I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. With the backers mounted, I asked my off-camera assistant to help me roll it up off of the stand so that I could get it on the floor. Next step is making the drawer rails. Well, attaching them anyways. It's unfortunate that the sound went off because I explain a lot what's going on, but then perhaps it's better if I'm not talking. Because this is MDF, it's rather fragile. And the way the drawers are designed with that dado to slide the drawer bottom into, there's just a little thin edge to put these drawer rails on. And you need to put the screws into the bottom of them. If you put them into the side, they catch onto the frame and then they don't work as well. So that means putting them into that MDF. To make that work better, I pre-drilled all the holes. You just take your drill kit and figure out what drill bit is the right size to exactly match the shank of the screw, and pre-drill the hole that size. That way only just the screw threads engage the wood and you're not wedging open the wood. If you don't pre-drill them, it's going to crack all those pieces of MDF on the sides of the drawer bottom. That's not a good thing. With the drawer rails attached, it just takes a minute to put the handle on, and then the drawer is finished. Slide it in, make sure it fits, and then on to the next one. You set the roller on the drawer just past the front roller on the track, drop it down in, slide it back, and there you go. The center drawer is just a wider version of the side drawers. Mounts pretty much the same way, and the tracks go on just like it. Done. Hi. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.